In the beginning, the station wagon was your family vehicle. As families grew, so did the type of vehicle. The minivan became the next best choice. Oliver Motors has this beautiful 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT in its inventory. This beautiful 2015 Grand Caravan SXT is a 7-passenger. Loads and loads of room for family. Or you can also utilize this as a truck. Fold down all the seats with the Stow and Go capabilities. It folds in the floor, giving you a huge cargo area. As we walk up and look underneath the hood, this beautiful Grand Caravan is powered by a 3.6 6-cylinder motor. Everything that you need to check or fill is brightly colored and located right up on top. Like all the rest of the manufacturers of today, safety is a high priority. Crumple points, drop-away motor mounts, side impact beams, and of course, airbags, both front driver and passenger, and side curtain are included in these features. Alloy wheels help bring up the value of the vehicle over the standard hubcaps. A nice, classy look of a headlight. Coming around to the inside, on the inside door, you'll notice that this vehicle has a 2-tone interior. Power mirrors, power windows, power locks, and rear window vent. Stepping into the driver's compartment. Located on the steering wheel, you do have your UConnect and your cruise control built on the other side. UConnect is Chrysler's hands-free technology. Starting up the vehicle, you notice that it does have a bright back display to make it easy to see during the day or at night, and very easily noticeable from the driver's compartment. AM/FM CD radio with, again, the UConnect for hands-free. Your climate control, which does include driver's side and passenger side and rear. The thing that I do love about the Grand Caravan is the amount of storage that's available in these beautiful vehicles. One storage compartment in the top, and a large glove box underneath. Up on the top, you'll have the sunglass holder, which also acts as a rear mirror to see anything that's in the back or to watch the children or rowdy adults. Right in front of that, you do have your power sliding doors and your power hatch. As we come around, again, dual power sliding doors. You can activate them by pulling on the handle, hitting the button that I just showed above the driver's compartment, or the power button located right inside the column. The center seats are captain's chairs. It does have Stow and Go capabilities, which allows you to take these seats and fold them right into the floor. The rear heat and air assist. Again, the power feature. One of the things about the power feature is if a small child should happen to be coming out as that door is closing, as soon as it touches something, it is automatically designed to move back open. You'll notice a large storage compartment in the back. The back seats. Which fold back up. Or can be dropped into the floor for that stow and go I was talking about. Giving you a large compartment. Again, when the center seats are folded down to the floor, it's almost like having a full-size pickup truck with an attached topper. And it's that easy to put the seats back up. Giving you, again, 7-person capabilities. If you'd like to get more information on this beautiful 2015 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT, or if you'd like to see more pictures, simply log on to www.olivermotors.com. Or you can stop by one of our 2 convenient locations, 315 South Boulevard, Baraboo, or 246 West Main Street, downtown Sun Prairie.